How's everybody doing today? So today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm at a different garden today. It's not my garden. My goal this year is hopefully do a few garden tours for you so you guys can see other people's gardens and what they're doing. And this is my neighbor's garden. She doesn't want to be on camera, so I'll just walk you through and show you what they've got going on here. It's pretty cool actually. I'll just give you a quick little overview here. Her garden's looking way better than mine right now. So we'll start maybe at this end here. I'm gonna hop the fence here. Hopefully I don't step on anything. Look like they've got all their straw down to help prevent some of the weeds. But let's start over on this side over here. Sorry for the loud noise. There's highways right there, so it's pretty loud. So it looks like they've got a whole bunch of squashes growing up here on the trellises. And I like to show you what other people are doing as well, to give you guys ideas. Got a whole bunch of bean plants all the way along their border. She does a lot of pickling and canning as well, and you can see there's lots of beans on them here too. My beans are just starting to come onto my plants, but that's looking good. This looks like a nice patch of weeds. Those are the ones you want to avoid. Got some mixed greens here, got some romaine. Looks like we've got some green onions here as well. They're looking really good. And then this one looks like fennel. Let's take a, yeah, I think it's definitely fennel. This plant is huge. And then over here, she said she's got her herbs and stuff. Looks like mint, parsley, oregano. Got some thyme there. Looks like tarragon, some basil. Looking really good. And then she's got lots of peppers here. Her plants are like 4 times the size of mine easily. And oh my goodness, she's already got pepper on it. My plants are so sad compared to this. I call myself a guardian. Look at this. More over there. And I saw some red peppers somewhere here too. Where are they? Oh, it looks like a little chili pepper coming on here. Right in there. There we go. Then over on this side, they have a bunch of carrots. Lots of beets coming up. Look at that. They're looking good. I've been eating a few beets from my garden lately. So nice. And then looks like they've got some more greens. I like seeing other people's gardens. They all always have different kinds of lettuces and things. See if I can walk down the side here. Looks like we've got some Swiss chard here. It's a nice looking chard. I'm not a fan, but that looks delicious. A bit of kale. Take some of the peas here as well. And it looks like got a little potatoes going on here, I think. And some more kale. And squashes, cucumbers. Not sure what they got going along the fence here. But I like how they're utilizing their back here. You've got everything trellised up so they can grow everything nice and tall here. And I see a giant cucumber here. Look at that. 2 of them right there. 1, 2. I saw another one down there somewhere as well. Oh, actually, here we go. This one's looking like he's almost ready to be picked. Very nice. Looks like more green onions she's been picking. And celery. I've actually never seen celery growing. So here we go. Look at that. I always heard it's really hard to grow, but looks like it's pretty simple, straightforward here. All the way down. And she's got some cauliflowers here. I've never had luck with cauliflower. They always go brown and disgusting. You're supposed to wrap the leaves up, tie them up to keep the heads white. And then, oh, these cabbages are looking great. Look at that. Cabbage patch. Lots of ones here. Looking really good. Look at the size of this one here. This one's almost ready to be picking. And I think she said these were broccolis over here, or Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts, I think. And over here she's got a nice patch of dill. I might have to see if she'll let me pick some of her dill, because I don't have any. It didn't really grow very well this year. I replanted some last week, so I'm hoping that grows up. And then what else do we have? Oh, here's other peppers on this side here. Little baby red ones. Not sure what kind they are. And then looks like some more basil. Got some purple basil there. Looking very nice. And then here she's got her strawberries. He was just telling me the chipmunks are brutal here. They've got so many eating everything, so they've got them caged up here. And then over here, more cabbages. Purple ones. And her tomatoes are looking really good. Wow, they're loaded. Look at that. Nice trellis system as well. Instead of doing the stake per tomato, they've done their post in the center, and then basically just use string to trellis them up. That's what I used to do. Works quite well. These pale ends are nice and thick. Wow, super impressed. Now here we go. Here's a nice cluster of tomatoes down here as well. Right there, look at that. So that'll be great for her canning stuff she does as well. Look at that, more cucumbers and stuff along here. And we got more tomatoes. And we got a big squash of some sort, or zucchini looks like it down there. And another trellis here for her beans, pole beans here. So that's looking really awesome. We'll take you over just to the other section here quickly. She has some other stuff growing, but so far really impressed. She's doing a great job. It helps when you have water, you can water every day as well. So we'll just come through here and hop the fence. So here we go. Here are some more pole beans here going on. Looking good. And over here, she said these ones were volunteers. They just kind of sprouted up. So she transplanted them over here and seeing how they go and what they get. And over here, they just did this one this year. It's a new section they put in. But she was saying they've got these bars from someone gave them. So looks like they're wiring them up here. And hopefully everything will grow up. Got more squashes as well. There you go, that guy farming down there. Could be a butternut, hard to tell when they're that small. Oh, wow, this is insane. She has a squash already on this one, little baby one. Well, I think that's a buttercup squash there. They're really tasty if you haven't tried them before. And then let's go over here. And a few more probably zucchinis and stuff. Not really sure what's going on. So it's like maybe cantaloupe maybe. Or no, some kind of squash. Hard to tell. And some more there. And then right behind me here, her husband has started building the greenhouse. Sort of in the process. Looks really cool. Be nice because the sun will hit it all day long here. And there we go. There is a quick garden tour of her garden. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little tour. Hope you guys could find some things in there that you could use in your garden to help maximize space or do things a little differently growing up, whatnot. Like I said, I'm hoping to do another tour at a few other places this summer. So when I get those done, I will post them up. And actually I see some nice cherry tomatoes here too. Just want to show you. Look at that. These guys are loaded. Loaded with cherry tomatoes. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick garden tour. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up, share the videos around, and happy gardening out there. Hope everything's going well so far for you this season.